So here we are at Lola's Cafe right here in downtown Lake Oswego in First Addition.
We've never eaten here before, but we've gotten takeout. We have a Thursday night tradition of picking up takeout and going outside somewhere. So we've been getting takeout here the last few weeks. It's a pretty new restaurant. So far, really good. I love the interior.
Yeah, the design of the place is really cool. As you can see, they have outdoor patio seating covered, and then this little bit here right off the sidewalk. The food's great, and you'll get to see what we order today.
To me, this is like the restaurant of the future where you order everything inside. They have coffee, they have cocktails, they do everything, but it's casual, like upscale casual. So like Erin mentioned, we're in First Addition, just up from downtown, and this neighborhood is amazing. It's so charming. It has all the walkability that you could ask for low. The restaurants, the shops, the farmer's market, the library, little parks.
And this is a part of Portland. We're just getting a little bit of rain right now, but it's also patches of sunny skies, so this should pass in the next few minutes. I'm hoping. Oh, see, there it's already kind of stopped.
It smells really good.
So one of the things I really like about First Addition is the walkability, the neighborhoods, all the shops, the couple downtown strips in downtown Low.
Yeah, when we first moved to Lake Oswego, I felt really bummed that we didn't live in First Addition. It's just really, the houses are really charming. I like going for a walk in this neighborhood. We have a really great local library here. Since then, I've learned that there are great things about so many neighborhoods, including our side of the lake, but this one really has a lot going for it. It's also probably, I don't know, you tell me, the most expensive neighborhood in Lake Oswego, short of being like on the lake.
It's the oldest neighborhood in Lake Oswego, and it's also the most expensive, mainly for the walkability, because everything is walkable to all the shops. If you want that small town feel where you can just walk to everything, living in First Addition is the place to be, but you're going to pay a premium. A lot of the older houses are being torn down and having new builds put in place of them. I'm going to show you one later, a new build where they tore down the old and put in a brand new house.
They're beautiful. It's what you picture when you hear new build in 2021. That's really what you're seeing here. A lot of that modern farmhouse kind of look, Northwest contemporary look, big, beautiful lots. Really, one of the things about the neighborhood is that it still has the old mature trees, so it's the tree-lined streets.
Yeah, and it really has a small town family feel to it as well, especially on holidays like Halloween, just everyone out putting up their Halloween decorations, and Christmas, putting out their lights.
Yeah, there was a big Grinch across the street from the library. And it's also really the closest neighborhood to get into Portland or downtown if you're taking the 43. So you hop on the 43 and you're into the city pretty quick.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah, of course.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Little appetizer, little fruit appetizer. It's a berry smoothie bowl. So I mentioned that at first I really wished we lived down here, but what I've learned is no matter where you live in Low, you're going to spend a lot of time in First Addition. Coming out to eat, coming to the farmer's market, going to get ice cream, Millennium Park Plaza, getting my hair cut, all sorts of stuff to do down here, and so you get to spend time here either way.
Yeah, that's right. Downtown Lake Oswego is also right next to the Willamette River.
Millennium Park Plaza is really one of the main places the city hosts events. So I mentioned the farmer's market, but then over the holidays, that's where the Christmas tree lighting ceremony is, 4th of July, getting to watch fireworks. So that's one of the places I think the city really comes together.
Yeah. And the first time that we came out here, right before we moved actually to Lake Oswego, I'd never been here before, and I came parked my car right on A Street and First, and walked over to the lake view from there, and it was an amazing sunny day, and I was like, whoa, this is amazing. We can actually live here. It just seemed almost like too good to be true when it's, amazing weather, sunny skies, spotted of white fluffy clouds, and the lake is shimmering. Kids are running around playing. It's just very idyllic, small town feel. But you're only 20-minute drive from downtown, 15 to 20-minute drive from downtown.
You came without me the first visit to check out the house, and I still remember the phone call where you called me and you had gotten a croissant and a coffee from Saint Honoré, which is the French bakery, and you were starstruck. I was like, what do you think? And you were like, what's not to like?
Yeah, we live here, so I am biased, but Lake Oswego is an amazing place to live. If you want a little bit of that kind of best of all the worlds, and the countryside is just a 5-minute drive, and you can be at a pumpkin patch or at a local farm or winery we were just at the other night. I have a mountain bike, and I go right around right from our house. I can hop on trails and kind of be throughout the parks and countryside. So it's really
We go blackberry picking down the street from our house, and we do a community-supported agriculture right near our house. When we lived in LA, I didn't know. I knew we weren't going to stay there forever, but I didn't know exactly where we were going to go, and I thought we'd end up in a small town. And instead, we ended up here, which is a small town within a big city.
Yeah, it really is. And that's one of the things I love about it, is you have the best of both worlds. You have this small town, Lake Oswego has its own mayor, and actually the mayor is the owner of this restaurant that we're at right now.
Yeah, we forgot to mention that.
That's one of the cool things I really do like about it, is there's a lot of connectivity to the people that live in the community. They really care about Lake Oswego. And like I've said, I feel like I keep saying all the time, downtown is right there, where all the fancier, maybe cooler shops and restaurants, and but Lake Oswego,
more to choose from.
And Lake Oswego is starting to get better restaurants.
Right, this restaurant, the coffee shop we're going to go to next, have a little bit more of that Portland urban feeling.
Yeah.
And I think there are people who live here who would say you don't ever have to leave low, it's self-contained, which is totally true. We like experiencing different parts of Portland, but it is very self-contained.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're going to enjoy our food, and then I'll take you through 2 typical homes here in First Addition. All right. Hi, come on in. Aaron, Collin, welcome to this Lake Oswego First Addition 2016 build, back on the market after 4 years. As you can see, this home is immaculate and in amazing condition. It's a contemporary home with open floor space. The dining room flows into the kitchen from the living room. We have a little office. Here's our half bath. I love this giant wood bar, kitchen island right here in the middle. How cool is this? Gas range, stovetop. The tile work on here is really cool. The sleek cabinets conceal the refrigerator and your cupboards. Check out this modern fixture above the dining room table. Pretty cool, and one of my favorite parts about this home is that it opens right up to the rear patio. If you can imagine yourself grilling out here, hanging out, even on a rainy day like today. You have your built-in grill, gas fireplace, multiple seating areas, and right over here is the garage, which also could be used as a studio, and it also has EV fast charging electric car outlets. These are bamboo flooring on the decks. So we have bamboo flooring here on the interior of the first floor and the second floor. I love the architectural lines that you see out of a lot of these floor to ceiling windows. All right, let's go up these stairs and check out all the bedrooms, which are upstairs, 4 of them plus 2 full baths. As you come up the staircase, you notice the bright, airy feeling, very open. You have all the bedrooms off of this large hallway. Nice little extra seating area right here with a huge picture window. We have additional bedroom number 1. All this bright light is helped by these large skylights right here in the hallway. We have additional bedroom number 3 right off here, and a full guest bathroom right here with a large window right there in the shower. Love that feature. And bedroom number 4 right off the hallway. Now, let's check out the master. This is pretty awesome. My wife would love this. You have the master bathroom right off of the main bedroom. Opens up to the high windows above your bed, and a large picture window right off the front that looks out of the front of the house. I love this walk-in closet. All the built-ins are already here. Across from this built-in in the master bedroom is your bathroom. Slab walnut countertop, pretty cool. Again, lots of light. Even in the bathroom, they have these upper windows all along the top. Washer and dryer, upper level. I always like that feature. This home also is solar powered, so your electric and utility bills are gonna be next to 0. All right, that wraps it up for this first edition home listed at $1.5 million. This home could be yours. Give me a call, reach out if you're interested. Thanks.
Hey, good morning. Welcome to First Edition, and today we're going to be looking at a modern townhouse. It's got a great open floor plan, and I love the high ceilings. This particular townhouse has 2 beds and 2.1 baths. It is about 1,850 square foot. So we've got a modern kitchen here with a wonderful gas range and wonderful hood here. All Bosch appliances, which I really like. Over here we've got a 2-car garage, which is kind of nice. Off-street parking and a little bathroom. It's kind of like your open floor plan. Great for entertaining and just really nice and flows really well down here. So let's go look and see what we got going on upstairs. This is where your 2 beds are. So you get up here, this high ceilings continue, which I really enjoy. Let's look at the master. We've got a double barrel sink and a wonderful big shower here in the master bedroom. Nice walk-in closet with the Buddha. I do like the Buddha. And this is your master suite. Has a Juliet deck with peekaboo views. Right now, obviously, it's raining. And we'll check out what else this house has to offer. One thing I do like is that it has this nice little office space. So if you are working from home, you can kind of nestle up in there and cave out. Laundry's on the same floor as all the bedrooms. And here is your second bedroom. Not as light as the first one, but it does have a walk-in closet and it has a full bathroom, which is very nice. So if you have any questions about this townhouse or First Edition or Lake Oswego, please feel free to give me a call.
As you saw
First Addition is really the Lake Oswego neighborhood that has it all.
Most of the homes are going to be over $1 million, closer to that $2 million range for most of the homes in First Addition. But you can get stuff closer to that million mark for the smaller, older homes. And you can get under that if you're willing to do a townhome or a condo. And then you're walking a distance here to everything. And Lake Oswego has so many different options. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos of all the different niche parts of Lake Oswego. You can't put it all in one video. So this really is just a little sneak peek of First Addition and maybe kind of what it would be like to live here.
And no matter where you live, you're going to get to come down here for coffee.
All right, guys, so this wraps up this edition in First Addition of Lake Oswego. Which house would you pick?
I'm going with the new build.
I'm going with the new build as well, although that townhome was pretty cool and a lot closer to all the shops. So, not to mention a lot easier price point for that one. But if you don't need such a big house, I think that was a great option as well. All right, guys, don't forget to like if you want to see more. I'll see you soon.